Hi, my dear student. Today we will discuss chapter 3, trigonometry. Exercise 3.5, question number 7. We want to prove that 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree etc. into 1 plus tan 44 degree is a multiple of 4. I think I'll use this condition here. If a plus b equal to 45 degree, I can write 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, which is equal to 2. See, if a plus b is 45 degree, I can write 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So, in the left hand side, I have 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree, 1 plus tan 3 degree into 1 plus tan 4 degree, etc. 1 plus tan 43 degree into 1 plus tan 44 degree. Got it? 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree, etc. 1 plus tan 43 degree into 1 plus tan 44 degree. See here, the last two brackets shows 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 44 degree. 44 plus 1, 45. So it gives the product as 2. So I'll rewrite this is 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 44 degree. Here 1 plus tan 2 degree, take this one, 1 plus tan 43 degree, because 2 plus 43 gives 45. So I can write this is 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b as 2. Similarly 1 plus tan 3 degree into 1 plus tan, what is the previous one? 42 degree. 1 plus tan 3 degree, here the previous one is 1 plus tan 42 degree. Here 3 plus 42, 45. So etc. Here totally how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 44. So making a pair. So 22 terms. Etc. 22 terms will appear like this. So making such a pair, you will get 1, 2, 3, etc. 22 terms will come. Because 44 brackets is there. And we are making a relation between two brackets. So it will be 22 such pair. So by using this one, a plus b is 45. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b gives 2. Here also 2 plus 43 gives 45. So 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b format, it gives 2. Here also 3 plus 42 gives 45. So 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, it gives 2, etc. 22 terms. You wanted to prove this is multiple of 4. So how many 2 here? 22. So it gives 2 power 22. I can write this is 2 power 2 plus 20. I can write this as 2 power 2 plus 20. So it will be 2 power 2, 4 into 2 power 20, which is a multiple of 4. Which is a multiple of 4. Very simple. So I am using the relation a plus b is 45. If then I can write 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Already we proved this result in the previous problem of the same exercise. So I use the result. Here I am going to make it a pair from the question 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 45 degree, because 1 plus 44 gives 45. Similarly 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 43 degree, whose sum will be 45, 2 plus 43. Again I can make a pair. The third term 1 plus tan 3, third bracket 1 plus tan 3, last but 3, 1 plus tan 42, whose sum is 3 plus 42 gives 45. So I can make such pair like this, etc. 22 terms. Each pair gives the result is 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into etc. How many terms? 22 terms. Because here 44 brackets are there. We are making a relation between two brackets. So 22 such brackets or such pairs, such relation will come. So each relation I am getting 2, 2, 2, etc. 22 terms. So I am getting 2 into 2 into 2, etc. 22 times. So I can write this as 2 power 22. The 22 can be written as 2 power 2 plus 2. What is 2 power 2? 4 into 2 power 20. So which is multiple of 4. So I got the result. Got it?